Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm bringing to you a fun St. Patrick's Day flavor. What is it? Something I like to call spearmint limo. And if you know where I got the inspiration from, I see you. Anyway, let's get to it. Come on. Welcome back, everybody, for this special St. Patrick's Day recipe. So, coming up on the left, 30 grams gelatin, followed by 84 grams of lime-flavored boxed gelatin. You can use any brand you like. And on the right, 125 grams of applesauce. We're also going to boost the flavor with this Sonic brand limeade. Oh yeah, you know I love this stuff. We're going to hit it with a little bit of spearmint oil. Trust me, just a couple drops goes a long way. You can use any brand. I just happen to have this in the cupboard. We will also be using 2 ounces of liquid coconut oil with 1 level tablespoon scoop of lecithin granules. Let's not forget 5 grams of cream of tartar with 3 solid pinches of malic acid. And not pictured here, but we will be adding 225 grams of corn syrup, and that's coming up next. Alright, first things in the pot, the gelatin and the gelatin. Let's give those a quick little swirly swirl. Followed by 225 grams corn syrup. Oh, okay. How about 229? That'll be fine. Now let's get the applesauce. And let's get that scale out of the way, shall we? Stir those in. Pain in the butt when that corn syrup is cold. We're going to do 2 of these. Woo! Now, the spearmint oil. We're going to aim for right to that first screw. That first little notch there. Okay? That's all it takes. That mixed up real good. For you first timers here, you see that little speck there? There's a few of them. Don't stress it. That's from the applesauce. All right, let's stick a fork in it and give it a little taste. Just like such. Oh, yes, perfection. I know I say that a lot, but I mean it when I say it, most of the time anyway. Now we're gonna let this sit for that 7 to 10 minutes to allow that gelatin to bloom, and we'll put it on the heat. See you soon. All right, everybody, it's about time to add that oil. This has been on the this has been on the stove for about 10 minutes. It's all loosey-goosey now. And here we go. Alright, we're going to be stirring this for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm also going to add a little bit of green food coloring. Let me grab that. So we're going to use a little bit of leaf green, so 3 drops. That should be good. Don't forget, the batch will also darken up as we cook it along. Oh yeah, 3 was perfect. Look at that. So I'm going to keep stirring until that oil is fully incorporated. As I said, anywhere from 3 to 7 minutes. And then I'm going to leave this on a low heat until we hit a simmering boil, and then we'll add the acids. I'll see you soon. We are just about there to that simmering boil, so let me get those acids ready. There's those acids, and we're going to get a nice little slow-mo of it. Now let's keep stirring it until that's fully incorporated and until we can evaporate off all that excess water. It takes a couple minutes. This is where I like to turn up the heat a little bit just to help. All right, I'm going to set up the pour station and I'll see you over there. Alright, now while all that stuff is setting and getting ready, we're going to spray the molds with a little bit of this edible gold. Just like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Don't worry about the spillover, you can always peel it off. These ones, the stem does not like to flood in, even when you pour it in with water, kind of a tight pinch point. So just, pull off the excess and put it in your mystery bag pile. And that's all, folks. See you when it's time to sand. And there you have it, spearmint limo gummies in a fun 3-leaf clover shape. And I like to add that gold just for a little extra luck. Anyway, if you have any issues, you know what to do. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye. Try not to drink too much. Or do. I don't care. Just don't drive.